Go, Jack. Say it. Always. Always a little bit. Have a little coffee. Stone Street Coffee. The newest, hottest coffee on the block. It's they're serving it and they're selling it.
That's right.
You
Free
get it.
coffee samples.
Let's see what she thinks.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Really good.
Fresh roasted this week, which is like...
Is that in the stores?
It's in the stores in Manhattan and out here now.
Where in Manhattan?
It's at some better restaurants, like Gotham Bar and Grill. It's in Chelsea. There's a Stone Street Coffee. And you know Financiera Pastry? There's a bunch of them. They're fancy like pastry places. They're the coffee company behind that.
Oh, okay.
So.
Love new coffee.
Thank you. Thank you.
Free coffee samples. Free coffee samples.